Hello guys, welcome back to CAD to Revit. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to align the floor plan to the original coordinates. Now let's go to the floor plan first and select the floor plan. Press Ctrl C to copy. Let's go to the coordinates drawing and press Ctrl V to paste. So the reference point to align this drawing will be this point because we have the same dimensions 27.19 and also this one 27.19. So this is the reference point. So to align this drawing we have to use align command. For that type AL, press enter. Now we need to select the drawing, press enter. Now we have to give the first source point. So this will be the first source point and this will be the destination point, and the second source point will be this one, and the destination point will be this one, and the third point will be this one, and the destination point will be this one. That's it. So when you place the third point, it will automatically align the drawing. We can see in the drawing is aligned perfectly. So by this simple command we can easily align any drawing in AutoCAD. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.